This is not financial advice, not legal advice, for entertainment, educational purposes only. And anything I say is my opinion. Please don't make any financial decision based on anything I say in these videos. Listen, the bad actors, naked shorting AMC, naked shorting GME, naked shorting PLTR, MULN, Neo, SoFi, they know that they are engaging in criminal activity. At least they know they're engaging in questionable activity. They know that they're violating the rules of the market. And the SEC knows they're doing that. The FBI knows they're doing that. The DOJ knows they're doing that. Let me tell you guys something, and this is just my opinion. If somebody has been accusing you of thievery for over 3 years, and all you had to do was turn over the evidence to prove that you weren't involved in thievery, what would 99% of people do? They would show them the evidence that they weren't involved in thievery. They weren't involved in criminal activity or questionable activity. But these bad actors, these naked shorters, they not only don't turn it over, they go to court and fight tooth and nail not to turn over their trading history. Now, why would you care if I see a trade you made 30 days ago? Why would that bother you? Because you know that those trades, that trading history, those blue sheets, and the other information is overwhelming evidence of the fraud and corruption in the AMC and GME play. And our regulatory agencies are fully aware of it. DTCC, CFTC, SEC, OCC, they are all aware of what these bad actors are doing, but they refuse to do their job. They refuse to protect the market. And you guys know why. Because the ones getting robbed, the ones being taken advantage of, are retail investors, pension funds, and institutions that follow the rules. I'm having a conversation with a buddy of mine this morning, and he was like, well, they don't want people to see their trading history because then they're going to know their trading strategy. This has nothing to do with hiding their trading strategy, okay? It has to do with hiding the fact that they're creating millions and billions of counterfeit shares to short it to the market and manipulate the price of AMC, GME, and other stocks. And the SEC has access to the trading history. The DOJ has access to the trading history. The FBI has access to the trading history, but they don't even ask for it. Because they know if they ask for it, if they go look at it, they're going to be forced to do their job. They're going to be forced to protect retail investors. They're going to be forced to protect pension funds. They're going to be forced to protect institutions that follow the rules. And they don't want to do that. And the reason they don't want to do that, because these bad actors pay the politicians, or donate to the politicians, and then the politicians appoint the heads of the agencies who's going to be supervising them. Tell me that's not a conflict of interest, where you're donating money to the people who are going to appoint the people who are going to police you or decide whether or not you're engaging in activity that's contrary to the law. It is absolutely crazy. It's a system where retail investors and pension funds and institutions that follow the rules are at a severe disadvantage. Bottom line is this: if the bad actors weren't engaged in criminal or questionable activity, they would have turned over the blue sheets. They would have turned over the trading history to show us that they're following the rules and regulations of the market. But they don't. And not only do they don't, they go to court and fight not to turn it over. But we have them in court in Florida. And if the judge thinks we made a compelling argument, if the judge think that their argument doesn't hold water or doesn't meet that legal standard, the judge is going to order them to turn over those blue sheets, turn over that trading history, and we're going to have all the evidence we need to fix the United States stock market. Anyway, please leave some comments. Tell me what you think. Do you think if these bad actors weren't engaged in criminal activity, they would have turned over the evidence by now? Anyway, have a great day. God bless. And I appreciate y'all on this journey with me.